In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage Zendesk views effectively. To begin this process, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zendesk website, which you can easily find at zendesk.com. Once the main page loads, look for the Sign In option, typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to a new page where you'll find another Sign In button within the login module. You'll want to click this as well, which will finally bring you to the actual login screen. Here, enter your email and password associated with your Zendesk account. After you've input these details, press another Sign In button to access the dashboard. With successful login completed, you are now at the primary interface where all your Zendesk functionalities are accessible. Next, navigate your cursor towards the administrative controls. Click on the admin button, which is usually found as part of your dashboard options. Once you're in the admin area, search for the option labeled Go to Admin Center. This will take you to a more detailed administrative interface where configurations and settings can be adjusted. In the Admin Center, find and select Workspaces. Within the Workspaces section, locate the Views section. Views in Zendesk are essentially predefined collections of tickets that meet certain criteria, making it easier to manage and prioritize support requests. Once you've found views, click on it to view existing configurations or create new ones. To create a new view, look for the Add View button. Clicking this will bring up a new window or page specific for view configuration. Begin by giving your new view a name, something descriptive that accurately reflects the content it will organize. It's also highly useful to add a description, providing additional context about what this view tracks or organizes. Another important step in setting up a view is determining who will have access to it. Click on the Who Has Access option and decide if this view should be shared with other team members or if it will remain private. Following this, you'll need to specify the conditions under which tickets will be included in this view. Conditions could include ticket status, priority, type, and other custom fields. This helps to tailor the view to meet precise needs, allowing your team members to focus on what's most important at any given time. Once you've set all the necessary parameters, the final step is to save your new view. You'll want to ensure that all changes have been thoroughly reviewed before hitting that Save button, making it an active part of your workspace. And there you have it, a newly established view in Zendesk that enhances the way you manage customer interactions efficiently. By following these steps, you can optimize your workspace for better productivity and a more streamlined support process.